Welcome to Davao, ladies and gentlemen.
Bibigay na, i-award na sa amin yung mga motor.
Ride safe!
Kaya sa dami ng
Sira niya na yung motor.
sarap manapak.
Kung nagtatampo ka kagad, no?
Hindi gago.
We're selling that for 4,100,000. Pre-order price.
Those two watches plus 2 million.
That's even lower than the initial offer. Oh, another watch, another day. Hindi kayo, pare. Time check ha, 3:51. 4:45 flight namin, pare ha. Will we make it? Let's figure it out.
Let's go po ah!
Ubo, pause ako, hindi ko alam bakit.
Parang hindi ako ngayong bong. Parang kompleto tropahan.
Parang G. Ano ba?
Guys, baka good morning.
Dahil nagsasabi, ganda daw ng cup mo, parang hype ah.
Wow. Pare, love local. Señoritos, baka naman, señoritos ha.
Mabuhay! Philippine Airlines welcomes you to Davao. Thank you for flying Philippine Airlines. Mabuhay at maraming salamat po.
Welcome to Davao, ladies and gentlemen. Touchdown.
Ito na ang parking. Ito na parang po. Yes po. Dito po ah. Kasi Makoy lang nagsusundo sa akin eh. Welcome guys to Park Inn. This is my only hotel of choice. Thank you so much for having us.
Morning, good morning. Tikman ko.
Salamat ako nito.
So, all natural.
Wow.
Kanina.
So, we'll do 2 done deals first. Dito sa hotel, sa Park Inn. Then later on, pupunta tayo kay Auto Hub pare. Kukunin natin yung mga big bike natin. After that, we'll go somewhere. Secret na muna. Hindi pa namin alam. Okay guys, sakto katapos natin kumain. Our first client is here.
So you have 2 watches that you would like to
Trade. The day that you pre-ordered, right?
Root beer and Datejust.
The root beer and the Datejust.
This is, if I'm not mistaken, it's 2022.
And this is 2021.
How much are you trying to dispose these? You really don't want them anymore? Still in a great condition. So this is the one pre-ordered. This is a day date. All yellow gold with baguette diamonds. It has the papers, yes. So it's 2026. New reference 228238. 40mm. Here you go. Very nice. I think you really like yellow gold, so
Yeah.
it will fit you perfectly. So for that one, we're selling that for 4,100,000 pre-order price. Anyway, market for this one is not really going well right now, but I want to make it good for you. So let me know how much are you willing to get rid of this, just to be as realistic as possible.
Datejust 800 and the other one 1.1. The root beer.
A little way. Can we do 750 and 1? This we really have a lot of stock for this. I like it, but it's not moving for us. And I'll make this. I'll sweeten up this deal. For pre-orders, we don't usually haggle already, but for this one, I'll do it for like 4,050,000.
Well, we do those 2 watches plus 2 million.
That's even lower than the initial offer.
Yeah, for pre-orders, we really don't make money because our analogy for pre-orders is we don't take much risk with it, so we don't price it that high.
Okay.
Let's do 2.3, bro.
So 2.25 plus
2.80.
2.26.
70. Of course, the hoodie. So this is the gray one, the new colorway that we have. I don't believe that you have this colorway yet, right? So much. Glad we're doing deal again. Business with you.
Thank you again, bro.
Maraming salamat. Next deal, okay. Alright, on the second deal for this morning. We're naman sa Davao City. Okay, ma'am. So, we have here 2 JLCs that you would like to check. Are you a big fan of JLC ba talaga? Okay, so how many JLCs do you already have? 4 na. Oh, very nice. Okay, so JLCs are very niche, to be honest. And they're very known to their reversos. Like this one. These are both dual face. This has the mesh type na bracelet. This one has the leather naman. Going here, it's kind of the same. However, this one seems a little smaller lang than this one. So, on their black face, it's almost identical. They both have this diamonds up and down. Dito naman is just the normal JLC, but this one has the Arabic na medyo stylish lang siya compared to this one that's the classic. Of your JLCs, do you have already leather? Leather lahat. So you could actually do this. Would you like to check? I can. So no need for this one. Okay. Ang bilis. So for this one, Comes with original papers, complete box, everything. 2014. Ito, we are selling for 438,000. Okay na? Hindi ka natatawad, ma'am, no? Hindi na tumawad. Gusto ko pakita si ma'am, kaso ayaw daw niya magpakita eh. I love Davao. What a beauty. And of course, Done Deal hoodie. We have this. Yan naman, low. Ayun ba? Okay guys, nakadalawang dandilan agad tayo. Nakaganon na ako. Para na ako si parang Joe. Hindi Kuya Joe, pwede ganon eh. Pang 80s na ano. Gumaganon daw? Totoo ba? Oh guys, abuhay naman na tayo. Pwede mo tayo mag-relax ng konti, di ba? Umupo sa sopa, nagubad ng sapatos, at uminom.
Nasang blade talaga ang tapang.
Ng tubig. Wow! Beautiful. Artista van.
Ayos ba? Let's go!
Let's go, Tamarao! Let's go! Ano? Sabi ko! Libre! Gagawa mo naman ako. Ito? Ano yun? Tara, picture tayo. Oy! Punta tayo sa Triumph ko. Kukunin na natin yung mga motor natin. Oy! You're here at Auto Hub. Triumph, pare. Kita mo. Tan-tan-nan. Ayos ba? Ayos ba? Punta natin. Uy, may Traxton pa dito. Tondo. Go. Sige na, i-award na sa amin yung mga motor. Thank you so much, Kuya Auto Hub, ha?
Ayos! Nakapag-ride sa Davao, mga tropa. Oh, ride safe!
Kaya sa dami ng ikaw natin.
Sarap manapak.
Uwak na puti! Nakakita na ako, pare! Wow! Ano tatampo ko kagad, no?
Nasira niya na yung motor. Pag-uwi, pag-sangin na mo ba? Yan na! Makasito! Last touch!
Knife ka, ano meron? Ano ride? Nag-rides. Nag-ride. Nagpupo siya pa di 20 minutes, bro. Tapos naligo. Pagkita ako ng ano, lumabas na yung vlog kong maganda, oh. Aray ko.
Emperor G, Emperor Mike here. Emperor Chola.
You're 1 against 4. Binata daw sa New York. Parang di naman. Another watch, another day. Tara. Meron tayong deal, guys. Checking a date just. Dami natin ginawa. Since 3 a.m. tayo, dire-diretso. Ganun talaga. After this, we're gonna have a very nice and comfortable dinner with Klein. Swiss Perpetual talaga eh. Best at hospitality. Exciting. Ano naman ang mga gusto mong i-collecta ngayon?
Ito ang gusto talaga ni ma'am. Pero,
gusto mo yung RBR. So, this is your first choice. This is the 31mm. This is what we call the RBR. Meaning, yung diamonds niya is nasa bezel. If you want to check, that's chocolate dial, two-tone rose gold siya. Now, we also have a couple of choices here that we brought to your likings, maybe.
Ganda dyan, oh.
Maganda nga, same lang yan. Tanggalin ko lang yung plastic.
Din kasi ngayon ma'am ng gabi na eh.
Tingin ko dahil sa plastic eh. Oh, ma'am, tingnan mo, nawala yung plastic, sure.
Ganito sana ang loob niya. Ganda ng lahat.
Wala na ma'am, that's phased out na yung ganitong, pag ganitong diamonds yung bezel, wala pong ganyan configuration.
Mag-antay ako, yung kahit mahal.
Okay lang ma'am, if you don't like it, ma'am, no problem. Don't feel pressured ma'am.
Meron ako sa inyo nakita, tapos one day lang,
Sold na.
Ito yun ma'am.
Hindi yan pogi, ito nga yung anak ko eh.
Okay na bro, natawag ng pogi.
Mura lang.
Oo.
Pero
Kasi
one day,
Yan yung nasa 1.5. Hindi ma'am, yan yung pinakancel nyo sa akin.
pwede ito. Yung isang klase, pero yung may mga...
Diamonds.
Yeah.
Meron din. Makakakuha tayo nun, yes.
Okay lang. Sa inyo naman talaga ako
problem.
bumibili.
No problem.
Mag-aantay ako.
Ano ka ba ma'am? Gusto mo balikan pa kita next week dito eh. Yan, nasa mga 1.45 to 1.5.
1.5M ma'am. If ever, yun na lang.
Basta yung gusto mo. Tama yun.
Kano difference? 300?
And then, sige, huwag kang kahit na 200 lang yan pag di mo gusto, huwag mong bilhin.
Diba?
Tapon nyo na nga ito mga to.
Patawa lang po yan. Nagpapatawa lang po. Komedyante talaga yan si paring Hype, ma'am.
Ikaw naman, ma'am.
Kunin na lang.
Ma'am, wala ka bang ano? Bigyan nyo nga si ma'am ng magandang lagayan ng mga relo.
Sunod mo sa ganyan eh.
Hindi, ma'am, pagpunta mo doon.
Hanap kami nung gusto mo. Dandil mo na lang kay paring Hype, 1.5 yun.
Oh, dandil na tayo doon.
Yeah, sige.
Bye, ma'am. Good night. Walang dandilan dito, pero dandilan doon yan.
Oh, paring Hype, saan tayo?
Ay, dinner, syempre. Hindi tayo nagtatapos. Time check. 7:55. Maraming salamat, ma'am. Sir Pantog. Pare, lamon naman. Mag-enjoy naman tayo. Puro tayo trabaho. Hindi kayo. O, paano ba yan? I'll see you tomorrow. Exciting adventure na naman. Ingat palagi. God bless. You're the best.